Hey guys. We're taking it, Sarah. How you guys doing? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Well, for a second I thought we walked into the wrong theater. What's that? It did say no talking, you're right. What a polite audience. Give yourself a hand. You guys are great, really. So this is officially the third screening of Get Along. Who was at yesterday's?
Whoa.
Okay. So they know already, as you can tell because of how excited they are, that it is amazing and you're gonna love it. You just turned straight? Oh, Sarah, go give him a hug. No, we can convert both ways. Look at that. The Republicans should use this as a tool. Just kidding. Okay, that's the last political joke we'll make all night. Sarah, will you give them a short rundown of what's going to happen now?
Yes, we totally respect the thing that just played, because when I go to movies and I hear crinkling or people touch my seat, I feel enraged. And but I will say, and we love the Alamo Drafthouse, but in this case, there's two short documentaries that play back to back, and then there's a longer piece that's like a concert stripped down thing for about an hour. And in the first screening that we sat through yesterday, even within our viewing party, a lot of people held their bathroom inside of them for the whole thing, and then spoke about infection and just feeling upset. And I think it ruined the viewing for them, and I don't want any of you. Not doing it, it's not me. I don't want any of you to feel like you can't go to the bathroom. It's like a concert in the sense that if there's a song of mine that you don't think is your favorite, it's fine. And I don't even care. It doesn't matter to me, not at all. They're dead to me. But it's fine if you want to go to the bathroom. It's not gonna hurt our feelings. In fact, have fun, and don't, and we're not gonna be watching you watching it. That's awkward. And we lived through the experience of watching it on the big screen with our mom and friends yesterday, and we are still in a shame spiral, feeling upset about ourselves. And that's not to say that we think there's anything to be upset about, but it's confusing when you're the person gigantic up there and you ask yourself, why didn't I get braces? Why? And
okay, Sarah's sliding into the self-deprecating.
That's my little piece. That's my little piece.
So yes, have fun. Order what looks like milkshakes. Holy crap! I'm gonna get one. Popcorn, food, etc. We'll see you in 2 hours. We'll do a Q&A for every possible second until the next screening. So we just want to say from the bottom of our hearts, thank you so much. This is such a cool experience for us. We've been working on this DVD for 16 months, I think, from start to finish. It took. We really should have been writing a record. We apologize for the fact that we did this instead. We're now hard at work on a new record. So enjoy this so we can all move forward together. Have a fun time, and we'll see you in 2 hours. Okay, bye-bye.